Sunday morning, and you know what that means. We have to go to church. Church. So our church starts at 10 o'clock. But we have to get up and get ready because knowing us fobs. God gave me alay saunya. Anyways, stay tuned. We're just gonna go get ready. And we're gonna head our way over to church. And yeah. Hey guys, so we're just getting, well, we finished getting ready for church. We're just going to the car now, and doesn't even look like I even did anything to my face. But yeah, we're just gonna go to the car and we're heading to the chapel. See you then. Hey guys, so we've made it to church with these two. Say hey. Can you say hey? Oh my god. But we came to church a little too early, as you can see. So we just finished church. We're heading out. I'm just heading to the car because I didn't go class. Parents are getting angry at me. I didn't go class and my dad is thinking that I did. So I better get to the car before he does. Oh, yep, there he is. Dad made it to the car before I did. Let's just hope I don't get a hiding. So we're in the car now. We're just on our way home. Hopefully the gonga is ready. So I'm hungry.
Did you say that?
Peace. It's your boy Boom Boom. Hey, so church finished like a couple of hours ago, and now we're heading to the shops to buy a cake. Anything for the fatness. Hey, so we're here at IGA. No one wants to be in my vlogs because I don't know why. Bella. Oh, here's IGA. Just going to buy cake and ice cream. I take the whole shop because but these prices are ridiculous. Ridiculous. You know what? We'll just go with black and gold. Chocolate chips?
Yeah.
Chocolate or chocolate chips?
Chocolate.
That's it. And we're going to get cake. Which one?
That one.
Oh.
Because we gotta look rich.
Oh, we? What's Bello? Did you get it? Okay, let's go. Busy?
Oh, not really.
Not really.
Not yet.
I feel it, man. We were supposed to have a YSA hangout tonight, but the plans failed through.
Butter.
Bye.
Bye, fella.
The plans failed, so yeah, malu le fali. But I don't really have an interesting life on a Sunday. I just go and buy cake. Hey guys, so we made our own plans and we're heading to the movies with Roy. She's just quickly getting ready. And I forgot what she said. Oh yeah, we're watching All Eyes on Me. See, this is what happens when you like bring a person that's not even a really big fan of Tupac. I love Tupac, but just don't obsess myself over him. But yeah, we're going to see that movie tonight. Hopefully we'll bump into the other YSA that's already in Garden City. I know you can't see me, I'm so black. But yeah, we're just gonna make our way over to Mount Cravat Cinemas. See you there.
Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Hey guys, so we're here at Garden City, but our mission here is to find a Commonwealth Bank because this girl wants to leave her card at home. At where? Oh, yeah, so our mission is to go find a Commonwealth Bank. Finally made it to the movies.
Yes. Gonna see my bae. So excited.
Just waiting for our popcorns and then we'll make our way over to cinemas. We've got, how long? What's the time? Thank you. Oh snap.
Kind of funny.
I'm really spilling my drink. Now we're just making our way to the movies. You probably can't see me because I'm trying to like control my drink. Okay, so we just finished watching the movie and my poor sister cried. It was a sad moment, but still, you know. So boy cried during the movie. I was surprised she was crying. I'm not really a big fan of Tupac, but girl, this nigga cried. Got out of the movie. We got out of the movies and her mascara was coming down. Oh yeah. But it was so crack up. It's a must-see movie. I'd suggest, but girl, oh gosh, like what a KAGIVALE. Nah, I love her, but yeah, the movie was great. I didn't even go to the bathroom like during the movie. That's how like great it was. For some reason we kept dancing and singing to every song that he had, which was pretty funny. And like the cinemas weren't that packed, so it was pretty much a home environment in the movies. But yeah, the movie was great. We loved it.